Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to replace your engine air filter. First, gather your essential tools: a new air filter, a Phillips head screwdriver, and perhaps a flathead screwdriver. Always ensure your vehicle is parked on a level surface with the engine completely off for safety. The air filter housing is usually a large, black plastic box located near the engine, often on the passenger side. Identifying this component is your crucial first step. Now, let's access the old filter. Most air filter housings are secured by 4 to 6 metal clips or a few screws. Gently unclip these fasteners, or use your screwdriver to loosen the screws. Once all are released, carefully lift the top half of the housing. This will reveal the rectangular or square-shaped engine air filter nestled inside. Take a moment to note its exact position and direction. This will be important for installing the new one correctly. With the housing open, carefully lift out the old, often dirty air filter. You might notice leaves, dust, or other debris accumulated inside the housing. Use a clean cloth to wipe away any loose dirt or particles from the inside of the box. Now, take your new air filter and carefully place it into the housing. Ensure it sits snugly and correctly, mimicking the exact orientation of the filter you just removed. It should fit perfectly without any gaps. Finally, it's time to secure everything back in place. Carefully lower the top half of the air filter housing back onto its base. Make sure the edges align perfectly to create a tight seal. Reattach all the clips you unfastened earlier, or tighten the screws until they are snug. Give the housing a gentle push to ensure it's firmly seated. A properly sealed housing prevents unfiltered air from entering your engine, ensuring optimal performance and fuel efficiency.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.